Class 9th Geography NCERT Chapter 1 India Size and Location. The following topics from this chapter are being highlighted the most in the previous 3 years examinations and thereby hold significant importance. An important point is that only factual questions have been asked from this chapter. For example, the latitudinal and longitudinal extension of India, neighboring countries of India, etc. Location of India, number 2, size of India, number 3, India and the world, number 3, neighbors of India. First, location. India lies entirely in the northern hemisphere. India's mainland extends between 8 degree 9 N and 37 degree 6 N latitudes and 68 degree 7 E and 97 degree 25 E longitudes. The Tropic of Cancer 23 degree 30 N divides India into two almost equal parts. The northernmost point of India, which is under Indian administration, is near Indra Col Siachen Glacier. Siachen Glacier. The southernmost point in India is Indra Point on Nicobar Island. Number 2, size. Covering an area of 3.28 million square kilometers, India's total area is 2.4% of the total geographical area of the world. India covering an area of 3.28 million square kilometer, India's total area is 2.4% of the total geographical area of the world. India is the world's 7th largest country with a land boundary of about 15,200 km, with total length of the coastline being 7,516.6 km. India's east-west extent appears to be smaller than the north-south extent. India and the world. The India landmass is centrally located between West and East Asia. India's producing Deccan Peninsula helped India to establish close contact with West Asia, Africa and Europe, Southeast and East Asia. India's contact with the world via land routes are much more than its maritime contacts. India has contributed a lot to the world in forms of ideas, philosophies like Upanishads, Ramayana, Panchatantra and mathematics, Indian numerals and decimal system, algebra, trigonometry and calculus. In exchange, India's architecture was influenced by Greek sculpture and architectural styles from West Asia. India's neighbor. India has an important position in South Asia and has 29 states and 7 union territories. India shares its boundary with Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bangladesh, Myanmar and Bhutan. The southern neighbors across the sea consist of the two island countries, namely Maldives and Sri Lanka. India stands apart from the rest of Asia and is called a subcontinent. Thank you.